Hello, and welcome to my Work From Home Coach. I'm Dara-Abrams, and here's my Work From Home office, where you can see my sign, the beach is my happy place. You can see my gorgeous view of San Francisco Bay. And you can see my messy desk. I developed my Work From Home Coach to help people like myself who face a variety of challenges that are typical for those of us who work from home. I was inspired to develop my Work From Home Coach by my own personal experience successfully working from home for many years, and by my experience leading workshops for geographically distributed and completely virtual teams. As a manager, I've created and led geographically distributed and completely virtual teams for more than 30 years. I've also written about strategies and techniques that can be used to increase the productivity and effectiveness of virtual and distributed teams. And it's been my experience that people who work from home can be very productive, engaged, and successful if they're willing to deal with the challenges that come along with working from home. So I'd like Alexa to be able to help people deal with these challenges using my Work From Home Coach. In the near future, I'm planning to repurpose more content for my workshops to address additional challenges and offer more strategies that have been used effectively by many other people who work from home. Now, my biggest challenge in developing my Work From Home Coach was to make these actionable, concise strategies for Alexa to communicate, capturing the strategies that we discuss at length in the workshops. So that's the challenge that I faced in having Alexa communicate the strategies. Now I'd like to walk through a short demo of my Work From Home Coach. Alexa, launch my Work From Home Coach.
Hi, I am your Work From Home Coach. I will offer you time-tested strategies to help you successfully work from home. You can ask me how to deal with a particular problem you are facing. For example, you can say, how can I deal with finishing tasks?
How can I deal with interruptions?
A strategy for dealing with your problem is let everyone know when you're available and when you're not. Would you like help dealing with another problem? Or you can say stop or cancel to end the session.
Finishing tasks.
A strategy for dealing with your problem is ask someone to be your accountability partner. Make a contract and report on your progress to your partner. Would you like help dealing with another problem? Or you can say stop or cancel to end the session.
Help.
You can ask my Work From Home Coach about dealing with different problems you face when you work from home. For a given problem, my Work From Home Coach provides you with a strategy to help you. For example, you can say, how can I deal with feeling part of the team? If the skill hasn't been open yet, you can also say in one shot, Alexa, ask my Work From Home Coach, how can I deal with feeling part of the team? What problem would you like help dealing with?
Tell me a good way to handle feeling like part of the team.
A strategy for dealing with your problem is regular team meetings with video to see each other and an online forum for each team. Would you like help dealing with another problem? Or you can say stop or cancel to end the session.
How can I deal with sitting in front of my computer for too long?
A strategy for dealing with your problem is set a timer and take a break every 20 minutes. Would you like help dealing with another problem? Or you can say stop or cancel to end the session.
What can I do about getting things done?
A strategy for dealing with your problem is use these time management steps. Simplify, prioritize, delegate, focus, and say no. Would you like help dealing with another problem? Or you can say stop or cancel to end the session.
Stop.
Goodbye.
I hope you got a feel for what my Work From Home Coach can do and how it can help you be effective at working from home. Thank you.